The first thing you need to do, of course, is to have the Ebates app on your phone. If you haven't gotten that already, just go to your app store and download the app. So let's go ahead and open the app up. And once the app opens, the first thing we're going to see is some of the best deals they're going to promote to us right here on the home page. Basically, you're going to see the stores that have the highest cash back first, and then as you go through it, you'll see maybe some of your favorite stores that you normally shop at. They're pretty smart, they know what you're doing. So anyways, then you can go to this tab over here on the bell, and that will break things down into certain categories like subscription services, gift cards, groceries, pets, etc. So that way you can kind of find the best deals for a certain category that you're looking at, and it will show you all the stores that offer cash back and how much cash back in that certain category. So one of my favorites that I saw in here was groceries, because that's something a lot of people still buy in person and at the store. So you can actually get cash back just by having this app installed on your phone and having your credit card linked up, which I'll show you how to do in just a minute. And that's pretty awesome. I mean, you're getting cash back just to buy groceries at the store that you were gonna go to anyways. So how cool is that, right? So in order to get this cash back at the store, you need to go to this tab down here, in-store cash back. And then what you need to do is make sure you have your credit cards linked up by hitting the earn cash back. You can see I already have a couple of my main credit cards linked up in here. If you don't have any linked up, make sure you hit the add card button there and add your main cards. Add 2 or 3 if you have to. If you use a few different cards, add all the cards that you use, because it's going to track every time you go to one of these places, and you'll be able to start earning cash back. And I feel really stupid because I just went to this restaurant right here last night, Mercado 31. I could have got 5% cash back dining at this restaurant that I already went to. I was going to go to it anyways, but I didn't have the app on my phone, so I missed out. But I won't be missing out anymore, rest assured. So here you can just see some of the other local restaurants in my area that offer cash back through this app, and obviously it's going to change depending on where you live in your area, but this is where you find all of the restaurants that you can get cash back from. And just remember to add your card here. It's super important. You will not get the cash back if you don't do this. So be sure to go there, add your card. This section right here shows some of the local retail stores in your neighborhood that also offer cash back through this app. So you can also shop in store at any of these local stores as well and get your cash back through shopping in the store, so that way you don't have to go online, because it's not always convenient to go online. If you're walking through the neighborhood and you go right to the store, then you might just want to buy something. Be sure to check your Ebates app first. And again, just remember that you have your cards linked. I can't state the importance of that enough. If you don't have your cards linked, you will not get cash back. And you cannot pay cash either. You must use one of the credit cards on file in order to get your cash back. So just keep that in mind, okay? And they have a FAQ section here if you have any more questions about that. I'm not going to get too much into that. If you guys are liking this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Say you just want to use the app to shop online instead of the website because you're always on your phone and it's more convenient for you. This is how you do it. You just open up a store and then you click the Shop Now button, and it'll take you automatically to that website that you want to shop from. And you got to just make sure you complete the transaction within the app here. And in case you don't want to do that and you want to shop in the store and get the cash back in the store, click Link Offer, and you got to choose the credit card that you're going to use to check out, and then you click Link Offer, and you're going to have to accept the terms and conditions here. And then once that is finished, it'll have the card completely linked up and ready to go, and you just go ahead and make the purchase. But you do have to do this every time you go to make a purchase in the store. And then you are ready to receive your cash back in the store at this point. And it's pretty much as simple as that. I hope you learned something new and interesting from today's tutorial, and I actually put a link down in the description so you can find the app and sign up and start earning money with the app right away. And if you guys like this video, don't forget to check out this video right here, because that goes into a real in-depth review of how Ebates works, and I mainly go over this on the website. I don't really show anything on the app there. So if you want to know more about Ebates, be sure to check out that video there, and also check out a couple of these videos right here. See you next time.